Sunday night, my fellow West Coast swing dancers. You should know by now, I got the talented Miss Laura. With me, as always, by my side, we're going to show you something that we taught for our twice a month Sunday West Coast swing class here in Herndon, Virginia. Now, Laura and I actually did this a few dances ago here in Herndon called Whip with a Slide. This is a Whip with a Slide too. It's another way to do it, and it's a different, new way. I've never shown it before, so we want to share it with you. Starts as a whip. So basic 1-2 for the ladies, walk around on 1, turning her to her right, 1, 2, guys off the track, put your weight in your right foot, hers on her left. So just front to back, just to show that one part, just on 1, 2. And I collect, put my right hand in the middle of her back to stop her from turning. So the next part is really when the slide begins to take shape. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do 3 and. So 1, 2, 3 and. So now I'm on my right foot. Laura's on her left foot. 4 is I'm actually going to go off the track to my left, push her and slide her to her right. Now it's hard to see from that view, but we're just going to get to 4 from here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we go front to back, you're going to see it a little bit better. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's the push, just on the and count, so front to back. Going to get to and. So 1, 2, 3, and. So on my right foot, I'm prepared and pushing into the floor. I have my hand underneath her left arm, and I take this hand, I literally push her to 4, and then our feet come up. So my right foot comes up to slide for 5 and 6, and then brings her up for 5 and 6, and then we end that particular sequence. So you're not tripling those 6 steps at the end, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So front to back. Do a shoulder push here. Bring her in. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So guys got to push, slide. She should slide if she gives a good connection. So again, we'll do a shoulder push. So you want a nice slow song for this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now you're in closed position. Now we're also going to do a 6 count shoulder push. So I'm going to bring her forward, guys, going to get off the track. 1, 2. So for her, she's going to do a triple. 3 and 4, 5, and 6. I'm just letting her kind of get a little bit ahead of me, and then I bring her back down where it ended. So here, we just did our slide. I'm going to go 1, 2. No, I'm not going to do my footwork. I'm counting in my head. We're 3 and 4, 5, and 6. She can ronde that, or she can swoop, whatever she wants to do. But it's a nice little way to get out of a shoulder push. Never shown before. So here's the whole thing. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So front to back, going this way. So if you hit the break in a song, slide's really effective. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I did my 5 and 6 after she's already gone past me again. But I just stand in place, let her be the spotlight, as it should be. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like that, guys. Never shown that sequence ever before. We hope you use it the next time you go dancing. That's why we do it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.
Bye.
Keep dancing.